me Paul and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, before I begin my video, Happy New Year to all my viewers. So today's video is going to be a kind of a review video on the brush that straightens your hair. Yes, this is actually the product is called, I guess, apparently, because people are calling this the brush that straightens your hair. I don't understand, is there really no name for it? Like we call a straightening iron a straightener. I'm not sure whether it has a name, but on the package it's written straight artifact. I don't know if that is what we are supposed to call it, straight artifact, or just the brush that straightens your hair. So we're gonna call this the brush that straightens your hair, I guess, and it's, or maybe straight artifact. So in 2018 this product got really a lot of hype. In 2018, apparently this brush, this product is you are supposed to use it like while you comb your hair. You have to comb your hair likewise, but the only difference is it will turn your wavy hair or curl hair into straight hair. Now as you can see, I don't have curly hair or totally straight hair. It's a kind of it's a little wavy, as you can see. Yes, yeah, it's wavy. So I'm going to use this product on this part of my hair, and you can decide whether it is really helpful or not, because like we have a straightener. Why this product all of a sudden? I mean, is this product really necessary? Was it really necessary to come into our lives, or should you buy this product? Is it going to make straightening your hair a lot more easier than using a straightener? So this, I'm going to show you how the packet looks like. This is how the packaging looks like. I will be giving you all the details about the price and about all the products over here or here. Please do check that. And I got it from Nykaa. Nykaa is selling these for a really cheaper value, so that is why actually it caught my eye, because I'm always on budget, as you people know. So cheaper products really catches my eye really. So I'm going to be reviewing this. This is how the package looks like, and it says the brush that straightens hair right over here, as you can see. And this is how they claim the product will look like, and this is the result that you're supposed to get, as you can see. Yes, and here it's a little bit of instructions are given. You're supposed to turn this switch on and it will get heated up, and then while you comb your hair, it is supposed to straighten your hair. So it also shows that it heats up to 450 degree Fahrenheit, and it's great for travel. Great for travel. Yeah, really light. Yeah, it's light, and it has a long cord, I guess, so it goes up to a really long distance. I'm also trying to compare it to a straightener, and then you can decide whether you should get a straightener or this brush is going to do its work, because it is way more cheaper than a straightener. So let's see if this works out. Let's try out the brush that straightens hair. Okay, this is what it looks like. It has quite a long cord, around this much, and this is what the actual product looks like. These are really I don't know, thick. This is what the brush looks like. Again, I got this from Nykaa. If you want to check out all the details about the product, I will be giving down in the description box. Please make sure that you check that. So I am supposed to connect it with power and then see how it works. Let's see. So I was told that I have to keep a comb nearby, because can you see, you have to detangle your hair totally, otherwise your hair is supposed to get stuck in this brush, and trust me, when it gets heated, you don't want to be struggling with this. So I'm going to turn this on and see how it works. Okay, right after I turn the switch on, the reading starts changing. I mean, I don't know if you can see, the temperature starts increasing, and the lowest temperature that I can fix it to is hang on, getting there, 80 degree Celsius. So yeah, so it will get heated up to 80 degrees Celsius. This is hot. Can you see the smoke? There's literally smoke coming out of this. Okay, I'm turning this off because I guess this is way too much heat for my hair. Already a bit doubtful about this product. Trust me, it's scary. So okay, I'm gonna hang on. I'm gonna comb it out a little bit and then I'm going to use it on my hair. Okay. Is it working really? Well, I don't know. I have to see. I'm gonna try it one more time to see whether it's working or not. Again, 80 degrees. Okay, let's try out again. Well, I'm not that very satisfied with this product. I don't know, it just doesn't go up to the mark. Well, it is giving me a little bit of gloss, and this thing really seems like it's on fire right now because literally there's smoke coming out. Can you see that? Yeah, literally there's smoke coming out of this. So I'm a bit doubtful about this product, but okay, I'm gonna give it another try. Well, this is the result that you get, I guess, as much as you can get. And let's see the other side. So apparently my hair was like this before, and the result is up to this. So I wouldn't say that is working wonders for me, but for I guess 500 or 400 bucks, this is all you can get, and it's taking quite a lot of time to get my required results, and this is not the required results as well. So I'm gonna say maybe if you are looking for a lot more natural kind of an outlook, maybe this comb will help you, but to get results like really straight hair, this is not the product. Clearly this is not the product, but yes, there is the difference. As you can see, my hair was like this before and it looks like this now. So yeah, it straightens your hair, but not entirely like those strands of straight hair that you normally see. But yeah, this works. But this product is really scary, you know. It's still like there's still smoke coming out of this. This is, I don't know, you have to be really careful while using this. So I don't know, I'm not sure. I wouldn't say that this product is really safe for 400 rupees. But if you are looking for a quick fix from this to this, I would recommend you to use this. But be really, really careful. Okay, so now that I showed you how does this thing works, I'm gonna compare it to a straightener that I bought around like 4 years back or maybe more than that, but it's still working. Maybe not up to that extent, but it's still working. I shouldn't have tried that. This is from Philips, and I have been using it for quite a long time. And here's one off and on switch. Okay, so I'm taking a little bit of hair on this side and I will be straightening it out. The thing with straighteners is it's a lot way more, when it comes to this brush, I think it's way more effective, and you don't have to be that much careful like you needed to be while using this brush. So I will be straightening out this bit, and then you can compare which one you should buy or go for while buying a straightener, while you are considering straightening your hair at home by yourself. So when it comes to time, both of them are time consuming. So there's nothing extra that this brush is providing for you or gonna work for you if you're looking for something that will reduce the time consumption in these things. both of them are time consuming, so I'm just gonna say that. But this is way less dangerous, I would say that. This is way less dangerous and way more effective, I guess, because there's literally no smoke coming out of this and you don't feel like you're going to burn your hair down, because that product really seems like it will burn my hair down. But obviously when it comes to cost, this costs way more than this costs, I guess, 3 times more than that one. But it's healthier for your hair, less dangerous, and more effective. So the straight, as you can see, both of them are quite the same, and both of them no, actually not. You can also see the difference at the end. I guess this one is way more sleeker looking than this part. So I would say, if you are looking to buy for a straightener, invest in some good products, because this is your hair that we are talking about. You don't want to damage your hair, because we all know heat is not really good for your hair. So when it comes to buying the brush that straightens hair, I would say it's a big thumbs down when it comes to be compared to a straightener. I am not really impressed with this product, no matter what the other beauty bloggers or other people say. I've not really checked it, but yeah, they were all in wonders while talking about it. But I honestly, from my point of view, I didn't like it at all. No matter how cheap this product is, this product looked really very dangerous for me, and there was all smoke coming out of it, and there are a lot of concepts where you have to detangle your hair to the bits before you are trying to straighten. So I guess the results are really clear. If you are looking to buy the brush that straightens hair from Straight Artifact, I would suggest you take this review really seriously, because this thing gets heated up really very fast, and also when you hold this brush you wouldn't feel the heat, so that's a good thing. So there is no harm in holding the brush so you don't have to be worried about that. But when it comes to using it, I mean, come on, I have wavy hair and it still took so much of effort to straighten my hair. I'm not sure how it will work for people with curly hair. But when it comes to a straightener, it is way more easier to use, and it is from Philips and Kera Shine range, I guess, but I will be giving you all the details. Simply Salon Straight. The color has weared off, because I have really used it quite for a number of times in the past few years, but it has worked really great for me. And as you can see, the straightening also stays for a longer period of time. As you can see, it is already starting to get to the actual form of my hair, but this one is really the same way as I kept it after straightening it. So as you can see, the results are in front of your eyes, so I guess you will take an informed decision. So for 400 bucks, is this product worth it? No. Since you are going to buy something, invest 400 or 500 or 600 bucks, you should invest in something that will work for you. So no, this brush is not worth the hype, and I really don't like it because it is not safe to use, and around children and stuff, it is not safe around anyone. So no, it's a big thumbs down from me. When it comes to straightener, I guess straightening irons are the best. So with that being said, this marks the end of my video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did find this video helpful, please like this video and please subscribe to my channel, and I will come back with another video soon. See you soon. Bye. Take care.